March 10th, Grand Rising. The sun has hidden behind the clouds. However, here at the Surfshack, we are kicking back, receiving inspiration from the 1111s. Wakey up, bees! Hmm. We don't have much to say, but go listen to my songs. If you feel spiritual and you want to just meditate with God, go check out the playlists. Laura, Mama Nani, Pink Feather, coming at you live. I started out and I never knew that my first channel would grow. I didn't know. I was just putting my videos on there because YouTube, I could store my videos on there and let my family see them. Now I've got so many I don't know what to do with and never can remember passcodes. And I change phones all the time, but it doesn't matter because they don't get a lot of views anyway. I probably comment too much and stuff. But praise God, we're moving into this new earth. Yesterday was the 9th. It was kind of lots of swoosh. Did you feel it? Just remember to stay centered. The narrow pathways as we cross through the already separated veil. We rise above, looking alive, baby. May your day be blessed. You are highly favored. You are loved. And he's coming back soon. Oh, I like that was right at 2:22. John 2:22 says, what's he say, Opie? When he was therefore now risen from the dead, his disciples remembered what he'd said, and he believed the scriptures and the words that he said. It takes discipline to tune in. I guess that's why there were only 12. Well, have a blessed day, man. I'm glad we're all one now. Know you by our love. Peace out.